Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create this bubble effect with the help of Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Right click on the background layer and choose duplicate layer. From the toolbar, select the elliptical marquee tool. Press shift and draw a circle on the canvas. Place it in the center. Now go to Filter, Distort and choose Spherize. With amount as 100 and mode to normal, hit OK. This will create a little zoom out effect to your image. Again go to Filter and click Spherize. If you want, you can skip doing it for the second time. Now with the selection active, click on the mask icon. This will mask out the circle part that we want. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust it. At this point, it is looking a little flat. So, go to the adjustment layer and choose curves. Click on the center point and bring it down to create a shadow effect. Click on this icon to clip it to the sphere. Now, press Ctrl or Command I to invert the mask and choose the brush tool. Paint on the bottom part of the sphere to create a shadow effect. Again go to the adjustment layer, choose curves and this time move the point upwards to create a highlight effect. Limit it to the layer by clicking here. Similarly, we'll create some highlights at the top of the sphere. Now, just below the curves adjustment layer, create a new layer. With a soft round brush and black color selected, paint at the bottom of the sphere. Lower down its opacity a little. Create one more layer and this time with white color selected, we'll add the highlights. Change its blending mode to screen and adjust its opacity as per the image. Now, let's add a shadow to the bottom of the sphere. Create a new layer above the background layer. With a soft brush, make it a little oval in shape. Click below the sphere to create a shadow. And there we have an amazing bubble effect created. You can experiment with different images and let us know how it worked out for you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.